Technology is growing fast and military innovations are reaching new heights. Today we're exploring 5 groundbreaking military technologies that are revolutionizing modern warfare. Let's dive in. First on our list is the Teledyne FLIR Rogue One. This cutting-edge VTOL LUAS, or vertical takeoff and landing light unmanned aerial system, is designed for modern warfare. The Rogue One boasts rapid deployment capabilities and minimal collateral damage, making it a game-changer on the battlefield. With speeds exceeding 70 miles per hour, a 30-minute endurance, and a 10-kilometer range, the Rogue One is built for efficiency and effectiveness. Next up is BANS, a brand new patented understanding and logic of air defense support weapon capabilities. BANS is designed to stimulate countermeasures for aircraft missile launch warnings and detection systems. This innovative technology enhances air defense systems by providing advanced warning and detection, significantly improving battlefield awareness and response. At number 3, we have the Scorpion Mobile Mortar System, the fastest mobile mortar system in the world. This fully digital automated mortar system features a shoot-and-scoot capability, able to fire 8 rounds in just 2 minutes. The Scorpion's speed and automation make it a formidable asset in fast-paced combat scenarios. Introducing Raylink RR, an innovative integrated in-rail solution that simplifies the lives of soldiers. Raylink RR allows multiple head-mounted accessories to run from a single, centralized power source. This first-of-its-kind technology streamlines equipment management, reducing the burden on soldiers and enhancing their operational efficiency. Last but not least, meet the Black Hornet 3 nano drone. Weighing under 33 grams and flying silently, this tiny drone provides soldiers with real-time battlefield insights. Developed by Teledyne FLIR, the Black Hornet 3 is an invaluable tool for reconnaissance and situational awareness, giving soldiers a critical edge on the battlefield. And there you have it, 5 cutting-edge military technologies that are shaping the future of warfare. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching.